So a few of you are having issues accessing FlipGrid, and I want to show you in this video what you need to do. There are two ways to access the assignment. You can either go onto your stream in Google Classroom. You'd scroll down to the assignment where it says Erica Henry posted a new assignment, FlipGrid practice. You can click on it there. Or you can go to the Classwork tab, go to the section that says Tools, and find the assignment there. You'll want to click on View Assignment. My view is a little bit different than yours because I am your teacher, but for the most part, it's the same process. So you'll see in here that I've let you know you're going to be using FlipGrid occasionally to present projects. And what I need you to do is to send me a short video, 30 seconds or less, saying hi and telling me something interesting about yourself. Firstly, you'd need to open the link. And once you open it, the option you're going to pick is the one to sign in using Google. And it's really important that you use your district login information. If you don't use your district login information, it won't let you open it. So click on the link. And you'd come to period 7 FlipGrid. You'll log in with Google. And you'll want to make sure that you pick the West Side Union account email that you have. If it prompts you to enter a password, you're going to use your West Side login password that you've used for all year long for things like PowerSchool and Google. Once you're in here, you can scroll and you'll see that I'm asking you to make a video where you would say hello and you'd share a fun fact about yourself. There are already 12 responses in period 7. You'd click on the plus sign to make yours, and then there's going to be specific instructions on how you can make your video.